Hello everyone! Since it's summer and it's hot outside, all I can think of is a lemonade. Or any other fresh and cold drink, maybe a cocktail with some lime on top. So for today I thought I should bring some freshness to you too, and I've decided to create some fruit slices. And I've made them as coasters so you can have them around all the time and think about the hot summer even in the cold snowy winter. I've started with gluing together several paper strips and forming a loose coil. I added some white around and squeezed the shape into a triangle. With more of these, we start putting together our first citrus slice, gluing every triangle, one next to each other in a circle. After the circle is ready, we add some white strips around it and, in this first case, some light green because I want to create a lime slice. We continue with the same technique for the second slice, this time making an orange and using the appropriate colors. I completed the set of 3 with a white grapefruit slice. Because the purpose of coasters is to keep water off our tables, or any other surfaces in the house we may put our glasses on, I took a laminated piece of paper, because anybody can get one of these, and drew for each slice a circle which is the same size, so we can glue it on one part and keep the water from slipping between the empty spaces. And that's it. It's a quick and easy solution for your house. You can make them in any colors, and you can even create a set as a present for your family or friends. My advice is that you should spray some lacquer on them before you glue them on the piece of plastic, because that should keep the water off them as well, and they will be more resistant in time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, let me know in a comment what other coasters ideas you have, and maybe I can implement them in a future video. They can have other shapes too, not necessarily round, so this is homework for the next time. Thanks for watching and take care!